Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to check the media presence in Windows 10 or 11. But before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. And comment down below on your videos about a problem, and don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Basic troubleshoot steps. Steps like start by shutting down your computer and unplugging it from the power source. Number 2. Restart your computer. For this, save your any ongoing work, click on the start button and select the power icon and just simply choose the restart option from there. Number 3. BIOS settings. For this, visit your motherboard's manufacturer's official website and download the latest BIOS/UEFI update for your specific model. Then just simply follow your manufacturer's official instructions to update your BIOS/UEFI. But be cautious during this process, as incorrect updates can potentially damage your motherboard. Number 4. Windows Startup Repair. For this, if your computer is in the preparing automatic repair loop, forcefully shut it down by holding the power button, then turn it back on. As Windows 11 or 10 starts to load, interrupt the boot sequence by pressing the power button again while the Windows logo is displayed. Do this 3 times in a row to trigger the Windows recovery environment. Then in the advanced startup option, select troubleshoot option. Then under troubleshoot, click advanced options. Number 5. Update storage drivers. For this, press Windows plus R key to open the run box. Then in the run box, type devmgmt.msc and click OK to open the device manager. Then in the device manager window, expand the disk drivers section. It will list all the graphic drivers installed on your computer. Then do the following for all the drivers. Right click on the disk driver and choose uninstall driver. Make sure to uncheck the delete the driver software for this device option in the pop-up if it shows up. Then go to the top menu in device manager and under the actions tab, select scan for hardware changes. The driver should appear back in the list. If it doesn't, don't worry, just simply restart your PC and it will appear back. After that, right click on display driver again and choose update driver and select search automatically for drivers. Window will automatically scan for available driver updates and download them. After that, just simply restart your PC and apply the changes. Number 6. Run Hardware Diagnostics. For this, again display the run box by pressing the Windows plus R key. Then in the run box, type msdteeds.exe/id device diagnostics and press enter. Then after that, just simply click on next to run the troubleshooter. Number 7. Run an SFC scan. For this, search for command prompt, right click the top result and select the run as administrator option. After that, type the following commands to perform a quick fix on your PC. The command is sfc/scannow and be patient and wait till the scanning is complete. Number 8. Windows Update. For this, press Windows plus I key to open the Windows settings. Then click on Update and Security option. And in the Update and Security window, click on Windows Update on the left hand side menu. Then from there, click on Check for Updates and let Windows search for any available updates and will automatically download them. After the updates are installed, just simply restart your computer.